Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to build a video live stream in your web app with JavaScript and HTML. And in this tutorial, we're going to be doing the live stream and we're going to be uploading it to the server with PHP. All right, so and let me show you this is currently the project folder. I can see there's no video file there now, and we're going to be streaming the video now and upload it to the server. All right, so let's start the stream. So first of all, we're going to be give the permission to use the camera. All right, so it's going to be doing the live stream. Can you see me? Can you see me? All right. All right, so I would just like to do the live stream as a testing, and let me just pause it now. Thank you. See you later. Stop stream. All right, so it's going to be uploaded to server and it's going to be played. We'll be able to play it on the be able to play it back. Now if I go back now and we play it and all right, so let me just skip it forward. I would just like let me just pause. All right, so let's see the video file that was uploaded to the server. All right, so this is the streamed video that has been uploaded to the server, the stream video that was streamed now. All right, as you can see, so I'm going to be opening it now with for you to see it. All right, so this is the video now. Doing the live stream. Can you see me? Can you see me? All right. I would just like to do the live stream so as testing. That's the video that we did and that we uploaded to the server. All right, so and this is what we are going to be doing in this tutorial. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It motivates me to do more. All right, so let's go to the video now. Okay, so let's go to the code. All right, I've created some files here, the index.css, index.html, and index.js. So this is the just the basic HTML page. So these are the buttons that we're going to be using to start the stream and to end the stream. Okay, now let's get fully into it. All right, so first of all, I would like to create an HTML video element as video. Then I should remove this. I'm going to set autoplay to true and controls. The width should be like 600. Then height should be 400. Okay, now let's check that out. Yeah. Okay, so the video element has been created, but it's not showing because we are not loading any video yet, or it's because we are not supplying the source tag here, because we don't need it. We don't need the source tag. All right, so first of all, I will get the video elements. Documents dot get elements. All right, let me give it an ID. Let me just put some spacing here. Okay, id stream elements. Okay, so I'm going to pass it here, string elements. I then just close this. Okay, and next I'm going to get the start button. The start button, the start stream button. And the end stream button. Let me just copy this. And stop media. Okay, so what we are going to be using to do the streaming is navigator dot mediaDevices dot get user media, and it is a promise that's going to be resolved, and we are going to get the callback, and the stream is going to be available as the parameter there. It's going to be available as the parameter here. Alright, so we can log the stream that was created, so that we are going to see it in the console. Let's go back to the browser and view it. Alright, I've already opened the console, and let's load the page. Alright, okay, alright, so we are missing something. This get mediaDevice function is going to take in an object. It's going to take in an object, like a settings object for the stream. So we are going to specify if video is allowed and if audio is allowed. If audio is allowed, let me just set it to false first of all, and I can name it constant. Right, then we are going to pass in the settings here, and we can go back and view it in the console. Alright, so it will first of all ask for permission to use the camera, and I'm going to allow it, and immediately. Alright, so this is the media stream that was returned, and then we can now use the media stream, and we set the media stream to the SRC object of the video element. Const video element. So I'm going to say video element dot SRC objects equal to stream. Okay, so it's going to the video element is going to display the video now. Okay, so let me just reload it. Alright, so you can see me. Okay, alright, let's go back and set this button here. Let's add the event to the button, so that on click of the button it will display it. It will start the stream. So dot add event listener. Click. Then the callback function, and just pass the E. We don't need it actually, so I'm going to pass it in. Alright, so on click of the button, alright, it's still on. Okay, so if I just click the start stream, right, let's just put the source tag in the video elements so that it's going to be displaying, it's going to be just going to be showing a blank background, and it will be indicating that a video element is there. Then let's see. So, right, so I need to set it to autoplay. Okay, it's in autoplay. And let me just load it. Okay, so it's going to be showing a blank loading background. So that's going to show us that a video element is there. Right, so if I click on the start stream now, if I click on this button, start stream, it's going to start it. Okay, so that started it. Can you see me? All right, so let's go back to the next thing. So it has started the stream. And what of stop? All right, let's add the event listener to the end button. Dot add event listener. Click. So on click of the end button, then we want to the callback function here. We want to stop the video element, the live stream. We want to stop the live stream. Video element dot pause for now. Just for now. We're going to pause the video element. All right. So let's go back and reload. Okay, start stream. Hi, can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay. Now let's stop it. All right, it has stopped. And you can continue it by clicking on the play icon and stop it again. All right. Now let's enable the video, the audio. Let's set the audio to true. Okay. All right. So start stream. So it's going to ask for permission to use the microphone. All right. So allow. All right. So can you hear me? The stuff is going to be echoing because I'm using the audio of the screen recorder and the audio of this video. All right. So can you see me? Can you see me? You can hear the sound now. All right. Let's go to the next thing. I'm just going to stop it. Okay. So this stuff, as it is playing here, is just streaming. It's not saving anywhere. So to save it, we have to record. We will have to be recording the video as we are streaming it. We have to be recording it as we are streaming it. We have to be recording it. So how do we record it? We are going to be recording it with the. Let me create a variable here. var recorder. I'm just going to set it to undefined, and after the MediaDevices has been initialized and we've gotten the stream, then we are going to call the MediaRecorder. No, I don't need the var recorder. Okay, let me just say it here. Recorder. Okay, yeah. Recorder equal to MediaRecorder. New MediaRecorder. Sorry, that's this one is not. media recorder. Okay, it's like it's not okay. Media recorder. So the media recorder, or I think it's capital letter M. The media recorder will take in an argument or parameter, any one of the both. So it's going to take in an argument. So we're going to pass in the stream as the argument. Now let's log the media recorder to see what was in the media recorder. Okay, now let's start it. Okay, so you can see it. Let me stop it. Alright, so this is the media recorder down here. This is the media recorder. I can see on stop. There are a lot of functions that you can use to work with the media recorder. Alright, and let's go back to the code and work with it. Okay, so to start recording with the media recorder, we have to call the start event. The start event. Let's go check the start event. Start event. Okay, on start. This is the event here. So on start. So it can take in start event. Okay. So the reason why I'm using localhost is because we are going to be uploading the video to the server after we are done streaming. Okay, so recorder dot start, and when it is started, let's check for if there is any error on dot on error. If there is any error, then return e dot error, or okay, I should log it console dot log e dot error or new error e dot name, the name of the error. So I'm going the error object is going to display the error. Okay, so let's move on. So we've handled the error. If any error occurs, so it's going to display it. And the next thing is recorder dot on data available. Let's go back and check the function on data available. This is what will give us the recorder, the data that is being recorded on data available. Then you can get the data here. Okay, and the data, this is the data. All right, so we are going to create a bucket here, or a container. Let me call it blob container. So the data that is being returned by the recorder is a blob. So we are going to push. So it's going to be an array, and we are going to be pushing the data So we are going to be pushing the data. All right. And before we push, let me just log out the data that is being returned. Data. All right. Okay. Let's start the stream. All right. Okay. All right. Stop. It's supposed to on data available. All right. So we can, but we've gotten what we want. We've pushed the data into the blob container. All right. Then we can now access it outside here and turn it into a blob. We can log the blob here with, we turn it into a blob with window dot url dot create object url. So this one will create, it will turn it into a proper blob object that can be worked with. Then I'm going to pass in the blob container into it. So let's start stream. All right, so this is the blob. It has created the blob. Stop. All right, so it has created the blob. If I should copy this URL and go to the, navigate to the URL, it should display a video. But because I think because the stuff is, all right, let me just, if it has not wiped out the blob. Okay. All right, so it has created the blob URL. So this is the blob. So we can now work with it. All right, so we can work with it. So we are going to get another function that after the recording has stopped, we want to send the video to our server. Now, how can we do that? We are going to listen to the recorder dot, let me check the function here again. On stop. So I'm just passing it. All right, so when the recorder has been stopped, then just log the, I'm just going to pass in this one into it just for you to see when the recorder has been stopped. Start stream. Okay. Can you hear me? All right, let's stop it now. Okay, the recorder is not stopped yet, so I need to stop the recorder. After clicking the end button, I need to stop the recorder. Recorder dot stop. Okay. All right, let's reload it and start stream. Can you hear me? Can hear me? All right, so let's stop the stream. All right, so the blob, the video is going to be available in this blob URL. You can go to the URL now. All right, it should, it's supposed, okay, I think, let me try another stuff. Yeah, it's supposed to play. Then Alright, let me just log this E. What was returned with the E? Start string. Stop string. Okay, so stop targets the string. It's going to be like an if. Okay. I think we can work with it now, but I need to see what's in the blob first of all. Start string. Okay. So now let's stop it. Alright, it's like there's an error in the blob. Okay, so I think I made a mistake here. Alright, it's supposed to be. Let me just turn this to E. And let's log what's in the E. Let's log the E. Okay, start the stream. Alright, and stop the stream. So on data available. Okay. And the data is going to be available in e.data. e.data. Alright. So it should produce a good blob video now. Okay, now let's start. Can you see? Alright. Now I can see it has produced a good blob. We cannot check out the blob that was produced now. Can you see the blob? Okay, now let's start. Can you see? Alright, so this is the blob. Okay, so I think I logged one. Let me check the line 36. I should remove this one. This one is wrong one. Line 36. Okay. Alright, so on line 36, I've removed it. Okay, so we've produced the good blob here. So when it is stopped, when we've stopped the video, we want to be able to replay the video back, because if I click on the play now, it's going to continue the streaming. Yeah, that's continued the streaming. So to stop it, we will have to, after stopping the recorder, we are going to remove the video elements, and we are going to create another video element, var new video element, as document dot create elements, and that's video, and new video dot, let me set the height, video, then new video dot height equal to, I'm going to set it to the same width and height 400, width 600. So it's going to be height 400 and the width 600. And autoplay new video elements dot autoplay. I'm just going to set it to 2 and controls. So it should have the video controls. Then I'm going to prepend it, but before I prepend it, I want to remove the former video element. So I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to say document dot body dot remove child video elements, and document dot body dot prepend. So I'm going to prepend the new video element. Alright, so I've prepend the new video element. Now I need to set the source tag. I need to put the source tag in the new video element that we created, because we are going to be playing the video. That's going to be inner HTML, and that's source src equal to src equal to. So I'm going to pass in the object URL that was created, the blob object URL that was created, and type. I'm just going to set it to, I don't like it to overflow the page. So I'm going to break it into a line, into a new line. So I'm going to set it to type of video or MP4. Yeah, and we can now view it in the front end. Okay, start. Hello, hi. Can you see? Alright, let's stop it. Alright, so that's hello, hi. Can you see? Alright, let's stop it. Okay, so that has worked, and now let's send it to the server. Okay, so we are going to be sending it to the PHP server, the uploader.php. So we are going to be sending it to the server. So we are going to use fetch, and I'm going to provide the uploader.php. So to use fetch as post request, to use fetch to send post request, we're going to provide the method post, because by default fetch is used for getting files, getting data. So, and the data that we're sending is going to be in the body, and it's going to be a form data. Though we've not yet created it, but we are going to create it now. Alright, so var form data equals new form data. This is on capital D. Alright, so we are going to append the blob to the form data. So we cannot work with this, with the blob URL that was returned with the window.url. We cannot work with this objects URL in PHP. So we cannot work with it. What we are going to work with is the blob, the real blob. This blob, it is one that will be able to work with in the PHP backend. The blob that is returned by this new blob, it is the blob that will be able to handle as files, as if you send a real file from the input type file elements. So it will be handled like normal file. So we can now send it to the server and .10. We are not expecting any response, but let's just. We are not expecting any response. Let's .json. We are not expecting any response. And .10 is going to be. We are not expecting anymore. And we can just alert file uploaded, streamed video file uploaded successfully. Let's just split it as uploaded. Alright, then in the PHP server, we are going to be handling the file submission in the PHP server. So I can just echo out the file that was sent, var_dump with PHP var_dump and $_files. It's going to be available in the $_files super global or global array, multi-dimension. Sorry for that. It's just an array. Alright, so we are going to be sending it now, and I would like to show the request that was sent. Right, this is enabled. The request is being enabled. Okay, so let's start streaming. Let's just do a like 15 seconds of streaming. Okay, start stream. I am Paulus AE. Alright, so I would like to stream this video just for testing. Do you understand? Do you get? Oh, it is about to be 15 seconds. Alright, let's stop the stream. Okay, you can see I am the stuff. Pause. Okay, sorry. Let me pause it. Alright, so you can see the request that was sent. So I can view the response here. So this is the blob. You can see it. If you've been using PHP to upload files before, you see that is identical to normal file submission. It's identical to when you submit a file from a input type file element. So it's just the same thing. So it should be handled like normal file. So then we can now upload it to the root directory. But let me just show you the folder. Let me just clear this up. Okay, so this is the folder as of now. So we are going to be uploading the video that we streamed. We are going to be uploading it to the root directory. Okay, and let's go back to PHP. I can remove this .10. That's not going to be causing an error because we are not sending back any JSON response. Okay, so I'm not going to do any file handling. I'm just going to move the uploaded file if you want to know how to upload file using PHP, you could watch my videos on how to upload multiple files in PHP. Okay, so move uploaded file. We are going to be getting, first of all, the temp name. So that's files temp name, and the name of the file. Name of the file is going to be recorded on streamed video.mp4. Okay, all right. Before we try that, let's see the directory again, and now let's go back. Let's refresh the page and start stream. Hi everyone, Paul. I would like to just do this testing live stream. Alright, so it's just a HTML video live stream. Alright, not to waste much time, I can stop the stream now. Okay, streamed video uploaded. Hi everyone, uploaded. Paul, I would like to just do this. Thank you. Okay, now we can now show the directory. Alright, it's like there was an error. Let's go back and see it, that there was an error. Okay. Files. Oh, there was an error. Yeah, I forgot to put the name of the file. Alright, so it's going to be files blob file. Then I'm going to get the temp name. Okay, so let's do the streaming again. Let's check the root directory. There's no video there for now. Let me change the view. Right, I can see there's no video there now, and we can start stream. Hi everyone, Paul. I would like to do this testing live stream to teach how to build video live stream in your web application with JavaScript, alright, and HTML5. So, alright, and see you later. Okay, streamed video uploaded. Hi everyone, and you can play it back. Paul, I would like to do this. Okay, now let's go see the file that was uploaded. Streamed video. Alright, I would like to view it with another player, just for some personal reason. View it with this. Okay, hi everyone. Yeah, Paul. Yeah, I would like to do this testing live stream. Okay, to teach how to build video live stream in your web application with JavaScript, and HTML5. So, and see you later. Okay, you can see it. So we were able to upload the video that we streamed. Alright, so this stuff, you can use it to build a video app, a video taking app, or augmented reality app that uses the user's device camera to do video recording, and after doing the video recording, you send it to the server and you return it back to the front end for or you store it for a later use, and you can use it for a live stream that you will be on a side and the other users will be will be on the like in another page. So the page will be sending a request to the server to get the uploaded chunk. You could be uploading it like chunk. You can be uploading it like chunk, like in chunks, like the on every data, like you can be sending, you can do a set interval to be doing the request, and it will be saving in the file. It will be saving the stream video to a video file. So, and other users too will be able to access the file, or will be able to be watching the file from another end. So you can use it for something like that also, and you can use it to do a video app, just like a video recording app. All right, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It motivates me to do more. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumb up. And if you don't like it, just give me a just click the thumb down button at the side of the thumb up and tell me the reason. Feel free to tell me the reason why you don't like this video. All right, thank you. The material of this tutorial is going to be available. The link to the material of this tutorial is going to be available in the description of this video. All right, see you in the next tutorial.